means squared error in Python. I'm trying to make a function that will calculate mean squared error from y, true values, and y_pred, predicted ones, not using scikit-learn or other implementations. I'll try next. Can you please correct me what I'm doing wrong with the calculation and how it can be fixed?
You are modifying the index for no reason. A for loop increments it anyways. Also, you are not using the index. For example, you are not using any y_pred, I, hence you don't need the loop at all. Use the arrays.
I would say it would only work if y and y_pred are numpy arrays. But you would want them to be numpy arrays as long as you decide not to use other libraries so you can do math operations on it. Numpy.function is the dot product of two numpy arrays. You can also write np.d1,
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.